Hi everyone, and welcome back to Divine Creations. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to show you this really cute hello sign that I made using my Cricut Maker chipboard paper flowers that are available in Cricut Design Space. The top hello is rose colored glitter paper that I purchased from Michael's. I'm going to adhere it by using my craft glue spray, and I'm going to attach my flowers by using my heat gun. I hope you enjoy this video. If you would like to know more details of how I created this, please leave it in the comments. And as always, I'll see you next time.
Harmony.